San Francisco, California, a popular tourist destination known for its cool summers, fog, steep rolling hills like this, and landmarks including the Golden Gate Bridge, a couple of cable cars that you'll find driving around, the former Alcatraz Federal Penitentiary, Fisherman's Wharf, and its Chinatown district. Driving around this steep uphill and going downhill feels like a roller coaster ride. So if you are someone who's not used to this kind of road just like me, not to mention the very narrow areas which I feel claustrophobic about, I feel like my car is always about to stall as I hear its engine rumbling to accelerate every time we have to stop for signs and pedestrians. We're gonna drive to one of the famous places you need to check out when you go to San Francisco, the Lombard Street. The Lombard Street is known because of its 8 sharp turns on a 27% grade slope. It was built in 1922, and these sharp turns, called switchbacks, were built as a solution to allow traffic to descend or go down Lombard Street's steep incline that even pedestrians are having a hard time going up and down. During peak hours, vehicles going down this hill can get stuck for at least 20 minutes due to heavy traffic. So, yun ang istorya ng famous Lombard Street here in San Francisco, California. Now let's stop by and walk around one of the popular tourist destinations in San Francisco, the Fisherman's Wharf. Alright guys, so we are here at Fisherman's Wharf, and we are particularly in Pier 39, and ito yung street nila. And the good thing here is we get to see a closer look dun sa Alcatraz na island, yung prison. Yun. Yan. Fisherman's Wharf is one of the city's busiest tourist areas where you can find souvenir shops, crab and clam chowder stall in every turn. It is also the home of authentic seafood dishes that are cooked by restaurants that are family owned for generations. Some of the reasons why Fisherman's Wharf is well known as a tourist attraction are due to the amusement places and museum located there, such as Cannery Shopping Center, the location of Pier 39 where you can see sea lions hanging out on wooden docks that were originally used for docking boats if you're lucky enough to see them, Girardelli Square, a Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum, Musée Mécanique, Wax Museum at Fisherman's Wharf, and the San Francisco Maritime National Historical Park. the ship you see before you is over 70 years old, built to be expendable. Hundreds of volunteers with the can-do spirit keep her in the same authentic operating condition as the day she was launched in South Portland, Maine on June 19, 1943. Her credits include the movies Titanic, Sphere, and the historic Channel's Hero Ships. May 23rd, 2020, this is last year. An early morning fire broke out on San Francisco Pier 45 that threatened to destroy this historic World War II Liberty ship. 94-year-old concrete shed, cars, and hundreds of crab pots inside were incinerated and could not be saved. Wow. Alright guys, so we are here at Chowder Hut. It's an outdoor food place. Ayan. So we were actually able to dine here kasi hindi naman daw siya indoor. So I think only the indoor places, yung mga restaurants, yun yung nagre-require sila ng vaccination card. So dito, since nasa labas kami, they did not ask for that one. So we're good here. We ordered some salad, some hot dogs, and of course the clam chowder na naman. To try it kasi yun naman yung isa sa mga famous dishes nila dito sa Bay Area is yung clam chowder nila. Guys, so we have crab salad, then we have the all beef hot dogs and calamari. Nandun po yung aming crab chowder. So, it's not clam, but crab chowder this time in order namin. So, yun po. Mga utang, mga tayon, kain po tayo. Let's eat here in San Francisco.
So if you are here in San Francisco, particularly Fisherman's Wharf, please check this place out. It's called the Chowder Hut Grill. They have really good food. Everything here that we ordered is amazing. So, yun po. Very good review. And we will definitely come back here next time. Pag napadaan kami ulit dito, this is a very good place to eat.